Reba's Reading Treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Thankful for So Many Things. It's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Cousin Kyrie and I are beginning our Thanksgiving holiday by writing our gratitude lists. There are so many things that we are thankful for. Next, Kyrie and I are baking pies and delivering them to wonderful families. Mr. Wilson is ordering a sweet potato pie. Mr. Jacobs has ordered an apple pie. Kyrie and I are in the kitchen baking pies and filling orders. The pies are on the way to our customers. Families are now coming together. This family is watching a movie before dinner. This family is sharing family memories. This family is enjoying beverages and a fire in the fireplace. My family is preparing to eat a Thanksgiving feast. Happy Thanksgiving!